Are you looking for the best treadmills to upgrade your home gym in 2023? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills to upgrade your home gym in 2023 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Bowflex Treadmill Series. Bowflex's Treadmill series offers a thick platformed ComfortTech base that'll make you feel like you're running on top of the world. Plus, the included screen creates daily adaptive workouts that adjust with overtime improvement. That said, you'll have built-in motivation to get you on the treadmill and running to your next goal. You can also watch Disney+, Hulu, Netflix and more with the 7 touchscreen and follow more than 50 global routes to guide you on your workout. Includes 1-year JRNY membership, $149 value. The JRNY experience assesses your fitness level, creates custom workouts personalized to your unique capabilities, and provides coaching and feedback that guides you through your workouts, all from the built-in touchscreen. JRNY membership required. Watch your Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and Amazon Prime Video accounts on the 7 touchscreen while you work out. Streaming service provider subscriptions not included. JRNY membership required to access streaming service provider apps on console. Explore destinations around the world and discover 50+ global routes that auto-adjust in real time to your speed. JRNY membership required. 7 HD touchscreen, Wi-Fi connection required. Motorized incline to 15% 20x60 running path with ComfortTech deck cushioning and speed up to 12 miles per hour. At number 2. NordicTrack T-Series 6.5 Treadmill. Designed for consistent runners, the fan favorite and Amazon's choice NordicTrack T-Series 6.5 Treadmill includes a free 1-month iFit membership to stream on-demand workouts right from your machine. Plus, the training system auto-adjusts your speed and incline through Bluetooth. Most impressively, it folds up compactly for easy storage. While it's not an underdesk treadmill by any means, it's still space-saving when not in use. The included auxiliary music port and dual 2-inch speakers provide some running entertainment, too. 30-day iFit membership included. Stream live and AMP on-demand workouts on your equipment with global workouts and AMP studio classes. Elite trainers adjust your equipment. $15 value. 10% one-touch incline control. 10 miles per hour smart one-touch speed control. With iFit, your trainer auto-adjusts your speed and incline through a smart Bluetooth connection. Smart response motor for effective speed, interval, and endurance training. 20x55 tread belt offers plenty of leg and elbow space as you run. FlexiLect deck cushioning protects your joints. Innovative space-saver design with EasyLift Assist means your treadmill can fold up after your run. For compact, simple storage, auxiliary music port and dual 2-inch speakers provide entertainment. 300-pound user capacity, protected with a 10-year frame assurance, 2-year parts assurance, and 1-year labor assurance. 54HX36, WX73.5L. At number 3. Sunny Health and AMP Fitness SF T7603 Motorized Folding Treadmill. The Sunny Health and AMP Fitness SF T7603 Motorized Folding Treadmill is perfect if you're running in a small space, pun totally intended. Or, if you don't want your treadmill to be an eyesore. The LCD screen monitors your heart and pulse rate, tracks distance and time, and includes 9 workout programs to switch up your cardio and strive toward increased improvement. Not to mention, the built-in treadmill cushioning means less impact on your joints and legs when challenging yourself on an incline. And, to spotlight the star of the show, its easy fold-up design with 2 transportation wheels makes it perfect to store without damaging your floors. Sturdy, quiet and AMP high quality, solid steel construction with extra shock absorption system makes your indoor run or walk a steady and effective cardio workout while getting the best value from the Sunny Treadmill's LCD monitor and AMP pulse grip, monitors the heart and pulse rate, track distance and time, includes 9 workout programs that keep you challenged with your fitness goals. Adjustable incline and AMP shock absorption, tune up your workout with 3 levels of adjustable incline, less impact on your legs and joints with built-in treadmill cushioning versus hard asphalt. Compact, portable and AMP great value. 49LX16W in tread belt. Easily fold up to 32.5 lx 27 wx 58 inches in 5 seconds. 2 transportation wheels make it easier than ever to move this treadmill without damaging your floor's speed range. 0.5 to 9 miles per hour. Max user weight limit is 220 pounds. At number 4. UREVO Folding Treadmill. For a treadmill that has one of the sleekest and convenient aesthetics we've ever seen, look no further than the UREVO Folding Treadmill. Clad with a fit-for-small spaces design, you'll have access to all the settings you can muster while running away. Its built-in tread deck offers an impressively roomy area to run with, and we also appreciate its 12 preset programs to offer variety to your strides. Powerful and comfortable. 3.0 peak HP motor provides speeds of 0.6-7.6 miles per hour, which guarantee the stable operation of the machine, with 265 lbs weight capacity. Anti-slip belt providing a safe cushion for your knees. 16.5-inch wider multilayer tread belt. UREVO treadmill use the large multilayer tread belt. 16.5 x 43.3 tread deck offers plenty of leg and elbow space while you run. Updated UREVO folding treadmills. Compared with the old version, it comes with pulse detection, adjustable display, phone holder, pause function. Fitness tracking display. 12 preset programs offer unmatched variety for your workouts. With LCD displays time, distance, speed, calories burned and pulse. Innovative space-saver design. Easy folding mechanism means your treadmill can fold up after your run for compact, simple storage. Folding size is 52.7 x 28.7 x 5.5 lxwxh. At number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Manual Walking Treadmill. As an alternative to the standard at-home treadmills, the Sunny Health and Fitness Manual Walking Treadmill L requires no outlet or motor maintenance, which is convenient for small spaces. With this model, you'll have a smooth walk or run. And it still provides distance tracking, workout time, speed and calories burned, all at an affordable less than $200 price point. Begin your fitness journey and start walking on the SF T1407M manual walking treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness. Improve your health as you walk on the treadmill that requires no plugs or electricity. Simply get on and go. Hold onto the soft foam hand grips, which allow you to maintain balance as you walk on the slightly fixed incline. This treadmill is excellent for small studios or apartments, DIMs, 49 lx 23 wx 50h in, and can be easily folded and rolled away into a closet or from room to room. LCD monitor. Create goal-specific workouts with the LCD monitor that allows the user to track time, speed, distance, calories burned, and scan. With an available scan option, you can scan through your performance data without lifting a finger. Dual flywheels. Dual flywheels provide an endless source of resistance by requiring more force to be produced by the user when increasing speed, power output, and tension. Sweat guard protection covers keep flywheels free of sweat and debris. Non-slip foam handlebars. High-density rubber handrails are slip-resistant and provide additional support as you continue a steady pace. Easily wipe clean of sweat and debris with a damp cloth. Transportation wheels. Making the transformation of your home into your own personal fitness studio is effortless with these convenient transport wheels. Simply tilt and roll out for use or away for storage, no need for heavy lifting or muscle strain. Non-slip running surface. Feel safe and secure on the sturdy non-slip running surface, which supports a max weight of 220 pounds. Running surface dimensions, 42 lx 13w in. Excellent cardio benefits. This treadmill will help kickstart your fitness journey by helping users increase blood circulation, increase bone density, strengthen muscles, improve balance, improve mood, and increase coordination. Compact and ergonomic. This compact, lightweight treadmill is excellent for small spaces. This treadmill is durable and can withstand power walking or light jogging. Folded dimensions, 20 lx 23 wx 50h in. Floor stabilizers. Stabilizers help create balance, even on uneven floors. Exercise more intensely without worrying about rocking forward/tilting.